Hey there. Today we are talking about triads. And like the name suggests, triads are made up of three pitches. Triads are a type of chord, okay? And specifically, they are three pitches built on the interval of a third. So here we have an F. We went up a third to A. Then we went up a third to C, and there is our triad. The bottom bottom note is called the root. The middle note is the third, because it's up a third, and then we have the fifth. Root, third, fifth. Now, there are four basic types of triads, and the way we decide that is by what kind of thirds are used. And it's really pretty straightforward because we're only able to use major or minor thirds. So for example, from F to A, is that a major third or a minor third? F to A is a major third. A to C is what? A major or a minor third? A to C is a minor third. So this is a major minor triad, or if you want to think of it in terms of half steps, 4 half steps and 3 half steps. Okay, you understand where we're getting that? Starting from the root, we go up 4 half steps to the A, and then from the A, we go up 3 half steps to the C. And this is a major triad. A major triad is, well, it's that. It's a major minor triad. It's a root, and then a major third, and then a minor third on top of that. The opposite of that would be a minor third and then a major third. Or 3 half steps and then 4 half steps. Which would be what? From F, well, F to A, we just said there was a major third and we need to make it a minor third. So we flat the A. And now from A flat to C, oh, that is a major third. So there we go. That is a minor triad. And triads are named by the root and by the quality. These are qualities. So this is an F major triad. This is an F minor triad. Major. Minor. Now, back in elementary school, we were taught, major sounds happy and minor sounds sad. But we're in college now, and we understand that, sometimes you can have happy songs that use minor chords and sad songs that use major chords and all that. So we're not going to worry about that, but just major, minor. Now, there are 2 other possibilities. As a matter of fact, let's skip down another line to get out of the way. We'll still do, note that we're still spelling it F-A-C. Okay? It needs to be spelled that way. Letter, skip 1, letter, skip 1, letter. So F, skip G, A, skip B, C. That's what makes it a triad. We had major, major, we had major, minor, and then we had minor, major. Well, what if we have major and major? So we have a major third from F to A, and we want a major third from A to C. Well, we already said A to C is a minor third, so if we want to majorize it, we have to sharp the C. And this is called an augmented triad. It's a different sounding triad. Yeah. But it's augmented. What happens when you augment something? You make it bigger. And this is the two large ones. Remember, we're only talking about major thirds and minor thirds. So if you have two of the big ones, that's your augmented. And so what's the only one left? Minor and minor. We'll do our F again. F to A. Let's make that a minor third. Well, we said F to A is a major third, so we need to flat the A. Now, do you remember when we did the minor triad? A flat to C is a major third, but we need it to be a minor third. So, yes, we need to make it a C flat. And when you have a root, and then a minor third and a minor third, you have a diminished triad. Major, minor, augmented, and diminished. Okay? Now, why do I keep saying about letters and thirds and stuff? Remember, triads are built on thirds. C flat, well, that's the same note on the piano as a B natural. So can't we just write it like that? C flat, B natural. No, this is not built on thirds. It's got one third, but then it has a second. A triad is a root and a third and a third. All right, so first thing is memorize that. Major triad is major minor. Minor triad, minor major. Augmented triad is major major. Diminished triad is minor minor. So that if you were given a root, say A flat, and we want to make a major triad, how do we do that? Well, step one, write up the two other notes. That's important. Otherwise, we might, do this thing and get the note spelled wrong. We do an enharmonic thing. But now we know if it's A whatever, A flat, A sharp, it's got to be ACE. So we write up our notes. Next, what kind of thirds make up a major triad? Well, it's a major third and a minor third. Or if you want, it's 4 plus 3. So, A flat to C, what kind of third is that? Or how many half steps is that? That is 4 half steps. That's our major third. Yay. So then keep going. From C to E is what? Do you see how we keep coming back to intervals? I hope you're understanding how important those are. C to E is a major third, but we need to have a minor third, so we flat the E, and there is our A flat major triad. A flat, C, E flat. Let's try another one. Let's do a minor triad on B. Step one, write your notes. So it has to be BDF. Step two, it's a minor triad, so that means it's going to be a minor third and a major third. B up to D, is that a minor third? Yeah, it is. Okay. D up to F, is that a major third? No, that's a minor third. It's too little, so we need to add a half step And there we go. That's all there is to it. Write up your thirds and fix them. Now, you'll see these listed a number of ways. Sometimes it'll just be letters. If you just have a capital A flat for a chord, it may mean that that's A flat major, A flat minor. Or sometimes you might see A flat with a uppercase M and A flat with a lowercase m, or maybe with a little line like that. Major, minor. Augmented, well, it's like major, so it's usually an uppercase, and the symbol for augmented is a plus sign. So that's A flat augmented. A flat diminished, I usually do it as a lowercase, but diminished is a degree sign. Okay, so major, minor, augmented, diminished. And that's all it is to triads. Great. Have a great day.